Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be outlining how to assemble the Prusa 3D printed face shield. So we did make a couple of these face shields, and so I'm going to be showing how, if you do receive them from us, this is how you will be assembling them. So in the box you will find a laminated double-sided instruction sheet with pictures and things like that. But what I'm going to do in this video is kind of make this all in video form, just in case you lose this or anything like that. So when you do receive them, they're going to come in bags like this. This is 6mm plastic. It's thick, it's resealable. So if you do need to quarantine these and wash them out or anything like that, it's all doable and it'll be good for a long time. So first thing you'll see is there is a label on the front here giving a unit number. We made a total of 480 pieces. These are 4 things that are included in the box or in the bag. These are we are the people who assembled and manufactured them, and then we did get help from a bunch of awesome people here to get this done. And then this kind of tells you the day it was packaged and things like that. And the QR code is for the Prusa website. The designers who created this design and everything like that to come together. So this just goes there, shows you all the different people that are working on it, and get you some more information just in case, even if you wanted to make it yourself. So that's that, and this is what's inside each package. So you'll have an elastic band. It's called buttonhole elastic bands. So use these for like pants, but use this for this. Use them for getting different sizes. You'll get a 3D printed headband. You'll get a chin support. This goes at the bottom. Of course, you'll get the bag, and then you'll get a plastic face shield. So the first thing that might come to your mind is that these do look kind of foggy, but what it is there is a double-sided protective coat on each side of it. So it can come off very easily. I don't want to take this off just because this is like a unit that's going to be going out, but it is very easy to take off, and it just helps it not get scratched while it's in transport before it gets to you. So let's get to it. Thing you want to do is you want to grab your elastic band and you want to grab your headband. So the easiest way to do it, I would say, is to pick a spot here, anywhere you think. I find this is more average, and clip it in like that. And you want to do the other side as well. And if you're not sure, you can just do like a general size, and you can always change it later. It's very easy to do. And there you go. These are flexible, and they also do leave a lot of room. And then you want to take your face shield. You'll take this point here. You're going to hook it onto this side here. And this peg will go into this piece here. And then to get this guy in, I like to slide this a little bit up. That's it. You'll have a nice curve. Lastly is the chin support. So you see that there are 3 holes. 3 holes there, 3 holes at the bottom. You just want to line it up as best you can. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but if you can, that would be great. And basically just, maybe a bit off there, but just kind of want to head it in place. And there you go. Super easy, adjustable. You can change out pieces if you like, and these do come in a ton of colors, so you'll see all different colors. You see pink and white and blue, but yeah, this is essentially what it is. So it leaves enough room so you can wear goggles, respirators, masks, anything like that, glasses, anything. So yeah, and it's made from a 0.5mm plastic PETG, so it is very durable. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. You can also email us at tryfordstudios@gmail.com, or you can look up the original Prusa page, which is, I believe, just if you Google Prusa face shields, you'll see everything there. Anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Bye.